Hello, join me as I make some banana bread. In a medium bowl, let's add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's my husband at the back. He's cooking some dinner. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just gonna mix all the dry ingredients. Next, we will do the butter mixture. Let's add 1 cup of white sugar, and that's my dog, that's Willow, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. We're gonna pop it in the microwave in a while. Here I'm just preparing my hand mixer because we will use that later. So we will mix the melted butter with the white sugar, and we use the hand mixer, and Willow likes the hand mixer or the sound of it. And next we will add 2 whole eggs. Mix it until well combined. There's Willow again. He really loves the sound of the mixer. Now it's time to mash some bananas. Since bananas are dog safe, I let Willow try some. Here I'm just mashing it real good. Next we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of milk. And then we're gonna mix it all up to make the banana mixture. So here I got the dry mixture, the butter mixture, and the banana mixture. So we are gonna add the dry mixture and the banana mixture to the butter mixture, and we're just gonna repeat the process until all the ingredients are well combined. Last but not the least, let's add some chocolates. Since we love chocolates, we're gonna add some more. Now we're gonna preheat our oven at 350 degrees. Now we have our loaf pan. I'm just gonna put some parchment paper. Now let's add the batter to the pan. We're just gonna smoothen the edges. And we're gonna add some more chocolate on top of the mixture before we put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Now it's the taste test. This is my husband, and he's gonna judge my banana bread. And I think he likes it. And this is the final product. Thanks for watching. Bye.